Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the Euro USD. But before we get started to break down this chart and the currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex and trading content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started, okay? Now, before we break down what's happening on the chart, we're going to break down what's happening with each respective currency, starting with the euro, okay? Now, the euro did come into this week with a lot of positive news, but as the trading week started to get picked up, we started to get more negative news than positive news. And with the dark clouds of inflation hanging over the entire European continent's economy, and the dark clouds that's from the destabilization with the Russian-Ukrainian war, that negative news that came out about the euro made it almost further through fuel on the fire when it's already inherited weakness related to the destabilization of the entire European economy. This is why you see such aggressive push and moves down with the European forex pairs in which the euro is located on the left hand side. Okay. So we will have some periodic short-term strength with the euro, and that is going to be due to when positive news comes about the euro. But if negative news comes out about the euro with the current economics surrounding the entire European continent's economy, is that negative news is going to be very, very drastic. It's going to be very bad, as you can see here. Okay. So the only way we can get a fundamental shift in what's happening with the euro is if we start to see a ceasefire or a halt in hostilities or a treaty between Russia and Ukraine. Because after they get that together, then the European Union can start working on fixing on its economic woes that's been brought on geopolitics. But that does not seem too likely to happen in the near to distant future. So we're going to continue to see a weakening of the euro with periodic temporary strength that's going to be related to positive news, but believe that is not going to trump what is the fundamental strength, which is the weakness due to geopolitics that is affecting the euro. Okay. Now, with the U.S. dollar did come into this week as one of our stronger currencies, and it remains one of our stronger currencies. But the strength it has been gaining has started to stagnate and started to lose its traction, and this is solely related to the economic news that's came out about the USD. Just as much positive news that we've come out about the USD has been negative news. So the negative and positive news has been almost neck and neck. So with that being said, we're starting to see a stagnation in the strength that's being gained from the US dollar, and the trajectory is not moving as aggressively as it did um through the opening part of this trading week and the prior trading week. But that does not mean that the US dollar is weak. That just means that this makes it prime. This makes it prime for retracement. Okay. So, with that being said, let's break down what's going on the chart. So, it makes it prime for retracement. So, let's see how far it can retrace. We can retrace as far as here, here, or possibly even here. Okay, before we start to range back out and continue to go back down into the fundamental short position. So remember, the retracement is going to be buys, and that retracement is only going to be for short to the intermediate term. But the long term position for this chart is still going to be remaining for sales with short to intermediate buying as retracement. Okay, how far can we retrace up? We can retrace as far as here, here, or possibly even here before we start to range out and continue to go back down. Okay. If you guys enjoy our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our channel will allow you to get notifications every time that we drop new trading content, so you don't miss out on none of the content and videos we do drop. We also ask that you We also do ask that you like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos help pushes our content out there even further so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders because our goal is to build an entire community of profitable traders. Okay. Also, we are doing market analysis videos upon request. So all you have to do is just let us know what you want between with the commodities and other forex pairs. I'm talking stocks, I'm talking crypto, I'm talking metal, I'm talking oil, I'm talking other forex pairs, I'm talking futures. Anything that you guys, any type of market analysis video that you want, please let us know. You can let us know by one of three ways. You can comment on whatever video that you watch, or you can leave use our email or come reach out to us through our various social medias. That the links for our social medias and the links for our social medias and our email address is in every description of every video. Please let us know what type of market analysis that you guys want so we know how to best accommodate you and to give you what you are requesting. Okay? So with that being said, happy trading.